Hey, this is Brett Moore from Montavilla Sewing Centers in Portland, Oregon, coming to you live from New Orleans, Louisiana at BERNINA University, and I'm excited to share with you some of the new products BERNINA has coming out this fall. First of all, I'm going to bring you into this new BERNINA 790 Ultra. Now the 790 Ultra took some of our favorite features that were on the 990 and brings them into the 790 line. So this becomes more like the 990, but it's a smaller machine, a little bit less money, and it's easier to take to class. This is going to allow me to do the jumbo stitches, which is something I've only been able to do on the 990. Now I can do them on the 790 Ultra. Also, we're able to take our designs and save as BQM designs. We weren't able to do that before, so now we're able to do that. So it now takes some of the functionality of what Qmatic has and allows me to bring it into work within the 790 Ultra. So you're gonna love this. This is the model 990 by BERNINA. And again, we have 12 inches in here where the 790 has 10. So just to let you know, there's a difference in size there. This is really the top of the line machine, but if this is not something that's feasible for you, the 790 Ultra is definitely a great machine with all the same top of the line features that are on the 990 and brings them into the 790 line.